So welcome back to DBR here. I'm not sure, I don't think I've recorded anything on this vehicle here yet, but this is our Mustang parts car. I'll show a picture of what it used to look like to give you guys an idea. But this is what it looks like now. Doesn't even really look like a Mustang anymore, which is why some of you guys are probably confused. But using this for parts, it was a 4-cylinder, it wasn't running. However, it wasn't really too rotten. It's rotten, don't get me wrong. This is not savable by any means. It was sitting for a while, but we're starting to tear it apart, finishing tearing it apart. We bought it to basically get the entire, first of all, the entire front clip. So we have the LX front bumper cover here. And also our Mustang here, this one, which is the one we're putting all these parts onto, the V8 standard, did not have an actual bumper, like the actual safety bumper piece, which was a little bit concerning. So, believe it or not, I'm not drag racing this, so I'll be fine with the actual bumper. Also, oh here, one's actually even mocked up. Using the fenders off it. These are LX fenders that actually match the year of this car. The fenders that were on it were for the older foxbodies, and also they were GT fenders. So these actually mount up really like a lot nice. You can already see the difference. So once we get that front bumper cover on, it's gonna look a lot better. But so yesterday I took off fenders of this bumper cover, and today I just took off the seats. So now I'm recording of what I can't. It's hard to record and show what I'm doing at the same time. It's actually nearly impossible if you're trying to get anything done. But the interior of this car was actually really nice. It was a one owner. So seats are out of it. I mean, I don't really think we're gonna use any of this, but show what's left of the interior. He's pulling something off. Yeah, but a really ugly car overall. I don't mean to hurt anybody's feelings, but yeah, we also bought this car for the center console. These things, if you try to buy a center console new, just put it this way, just start looking up the price, because there's about 3 or 4 different parts of the center console, and each one of them is about like $115, each piece of it, which is insane. So really, this was a big reason why we actually bought the parts car, for the price that we got the car for. So we got the center console. E-brake handle we'll be using in there, which we don't have. Lots of different pieces. Believe it or not, the e-brake handle on eBay, before we even got the car, we bought an eBay e-brake handle used. And believe it or not, these things are worth 75 bucks. It's almost, no, never mind. But anyways, yeah, it's 75 bucks. Oh, that's pretty gross. But that's about it. I'm trying to think of anything else to show you guys. Also, this car actually had front end hardware on this. It looked like somebody like literally pieced together the front end. So there's like 1 bolt on the fender, like two bolts on the fenders. The bumper didn't even have an actual bumper. It was just the bumper cover bolted on to the fender. There was nothing bolted on to these actual crash supports. And I'm not sure when I release this video what else you guys know about what's going on with this car. So it might be really out of order, but put it this way. We've got a lot of things apart, and try to spot what's that sitting on the floor there. I don't want to give it away in case the video hasn't come out yet. But a lot going on with Project Stang. So we'll keep you guys updated. Well, it's not the end of the day here on parts car, and I'm not sure if last time both of the seats were out, but seats are out. All Ford badging is off of it. He's trying to take the rear brakes off because it can't, just so that I can roll out of here. We had to come along it in. Everything's torn out. I would like to mention though, if anybody is in the New Jersey, Connecticut, Rhode Island, New York, Western Mass area, we've got a lot of foxbody parts here. If you're interested, if you see anything on this car that you might need, let me know. I've also got, let me show you these fenders we have. There's actually nothing really wrong with them. We only took them off because they're the wrong year for this car. But we've got foxbody fenders here. Not really any rust on them. Also, I know somebody's gotta want this. This is a GT front bumper cover. It's pretty much new. It doesn't even have paint on it. This is the factory paint that comes with it. Comes with these headlights. The only thing wrong with this cover is this mounting hole here is ripped. And this one, I don't know if when they bought this, you have to drill your own holes. This one doesn't even have a hole in it. This one's kind of ripped. So, other than that, you know, you could shoot me an offer, you know, even though I know nobody wants this stuff. Seats here, anything. We're using that though. we've got transmissions. You know, we got a lot of stuff in stock in the parts section here. That's it for today's video. Parts car is getting wrapped up. Project Stang has begun. I'm gonna give you guys a quick, brief look at what we have for this. So, that's about it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We have a lot of stuff coming for this car.